made by iKON, and this dance will in fact make you want to kill yourself. So we're going to be learning just the chorus part, and every chorus is the same. So, well, there's only 2 choruses, and then the last one they just fist bump. So we're learning the fist bump one. No, I'm kidding. We're learning the main chorus, and we're gonna start at the part where they go to get the, and then they go into the foot thing. This dance. So we're gonna say things about this one. So it's not like idol where you need a lot of energy. You just need to maintain your energy. And it's more technical than it is like, what's the word? It's more like once you get it, you got it and you can do it, but like it's not something you can pick up really easily. There's like a few parts that are like, wow, this is really difficult. So it's more maintaining energy, balance, and like sharpness and exaggerating movements. That's basically all it is. I'm gonna be saying things that I've seen other people do that have made this dance look bad, and Emily, you can say stuff too. But so yeah.
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
So the first move is to get the. So you're just gonna take your hands and not choke yourself.
But kind of choke yourself.
You're gonna go up, and like I kind of do it with my chest. So like I go like up with my chest, and then you're gonna throw yourself down, and your hands are gonna be down here. So that's the first move.
Straight hand.
Yeah, straight hands. So you go chuketa, huh. Okay. The next part is the foot part, and this part took me. You can ask Emily, a week to get. It took her like 2 days. 2 days. She was like, I got it! I'm gonna do the hand part first in the upper body before the lower body because that's easiest. I'm gonna do it upwards, but you're gonna be doing it while looking down. So you're going to be doing like your arms straight, and you're just gonna shrug your shoulders and then put them down. The second move, your hands are out. No, they're to your chest, and you're gonna shrug and then put them down. The third move is your hands are out like you're flying, and you're gonna shrug and then put them down. And that's all 3 moves. So it's just shrug, shrug, shrug. That's it.
And when you put your arms out, don't fling them back.
Yeah, don't go.
And don't go like this. They're out like a T.
Yeah. Make sure
a T.
Yeah. Every move is precise. Now the feet. We're gonna start with, what leg is this? Right. Your right leg. And then the second time we do it, we're doing left leg. So with this leg, you're going to do a circle motion where you kick out and then you go back in. That's how Emily taught me, and that's what makes it really like nice to do it.
Yeah.
Here's where people go wrong. People do that, and people also do this, but this foot, your left foot, or the foot that's not circling or going up, actually lifts up too. So you're jumping together. So
and that was one of the hardest things. We kept like trying to we saw that they were jumping, and so we kept trying to jump with it, but just the natural motion of this is gonna lift you off the ground. If you put enough energy to it, this will lift you off the ground. So don't jump with it. It'll naturally come up as you do.
Right. So it's not like you're going like this, but like. So again, you're doing a kick and a circle back. And I kind of like put more of the energy on the kick to the ground. And I don't know how Emily does it. When your feet are together, that's when you like jump. And they land together. So it may seem really difficult. This is the best way I can describe it. If you keep working on it,
practice makes perfect.
then you'll get it. It took me a week to get it.
We kept doing it though. It was like all during practice when we would practice this song the whole time, and she was just like,
and I'd get it some days, and then I wouldn't the other days.
but she kept going.
Right.
And that's why.
So the movements together, when your feet land together, that's when you do the shrug. So, ba. So I'll do it from this side. Okay? So let's put the two moves together in this part. So 5, 6, 7, 8. To get the ba.
Where to go to get there? Where to go to get there?
Okay. Next move is ass to the grass. Here's something people don't do that they need to do. Is when Emily and I learn a dance, we don't look at the move. Well, we look at the move, but we look at how they do it. So if it's like they go down and they kind of like go like this, we don't look at just the move. We look at how they do it. Their leg position, their shoulders, where both of their hands are, where their feet are positioned. It's not just like, oh, this is what it is. So I've seen a lot of people when they do this, they come out of this, and then they do this, but you want to spread your legs, and if you think you're deep enough, get deeper. It's like,
Asha described it as, we need to be ass to the grass, and then she was like, we need to be so ass to the grass that we need to dig a hole in the grass to put our ass in.
every single dance that they do like a leg thing, they get deep in there, ass to the grass. So that's my only spiel about that, is that exaggerate this move like your life depends on it.
Because it does, we come find you.
We'll come find you. Anyways, so once you land from here, you're going to put your legs out. You're going to take your left shoulder and kind of like this.
You can kind of do this however you feel comfortable. You just have to be really low. And then just bring your shoulder back. As long as you're bringing your shoulder back, just be low. Bring that shoulder back, kind of like roll into it, kind of like that.
Roll. You're going to take, like it was an idol when we were like this. You're going to take your hand and you're going to pull your heel up. Pull and down. So, and it's really,
and your arm has to be here when you do it.
Next part is if you think the right foot was hard, you have to repeat it on the other leg.
Yeah, so this time your right foot is
So,
stable, and
yeah.
this one's kicking.
It's just the same thing, except it's the other foot.
And you think that might be easy, but sometimes your body coordination is like harder on one side for whatever reason.
Right.
For me, my left side was harder.
Yeah, it's just the same thing. So practice on it on both sides, but just on your left foot for the second part.
Where to go to get there?
After this part, here, and you're going to look this way to your right, and you're going to go.
But you're gonna do it as you're standing up.
Look. This is another place where people messed up, as I didn't know that this move has feet in it. So what you're gonna do is, let's do the arms first. You're going to elbow, and then you're gonna go wait. So elbow, wait. And then the feet are just like this. That's it. It's and they kind of like lean with this, like that feels normal. Are you okay? Oh, right. And then you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna go no, 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 no. So
left,
you're going,
right, left, right.
Yeah. So you're gonna go finger left, right, and then head left, right. Like. The next move is more footwork. It's this part, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's called the mashed potato. I think that's what the actual name of the dance is. And I'm gonna explain it to you, like how to do the move, and then I'm gonna explain what it is in the dance. So basically, it's when your feet are down, your heels are together. When your feet are up, your heels are not together.
They're like facing different ways. So it's
Right.
like you're putting your heels together and out.
Right.
Together and out. So
Yeah.
practice doing that. And then once you get that more down, move your foot.
Yeah. So here. So this is in every dance too.
Yeah.
Like this was an I Need You. This is an EXO Monster. This is in this one.
It's in a lot of
It's in every dance.
It's almost in twice when they do like
Yeah.
that kind of thing. It's
Yeah.
like a takeoff that stuff. You learn the mashed potato and then you're good for every single K-pop dance in the world.
Right. So basically what you're gonna do is just the feet position. Well, because your feet position is different than mine. We're gonna learn mine. You're gonna go forward with your right, back with your right, side with your left. And that's it. So it's forward, back, side. That's it. And so with your feet, you're gonna go mashed potato. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Where do we go to get through?
So the next part is a part Emily and I don't know how to make look good. We tried for what? A month, and even after we filmed it, we don't know how to make it look good. But anyways, this is the best we could make it look. So after this part, you're gonna go down, and your hand's gonna be on your chest, and this arm's gonna be out, and your fists are gonna be fists.
And then for me, I'm on this side.
Right.
So just a mirror of it.
Right. And then, so legs, well, let's do arms first. You're gonna go bum, bum, bum. With your feet, you're gonna go heel, heel, heel. With your whole body, you're gonna go up, up, up. You go 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then how we decided to make it look better is to kind of like pop our chest and like kind of jiggle.
I mean, she's not wrong.
We're just kind of like pop, pop, pop. Like put like pops in there. The next part's more footwork.
It's like all footwork.
It's all
Except for
footwork.
this.
You're gonna go here, here,
Right.
here, here, here. So feet go right, left, right, hook, down, down, and then you're going into this thing. So fast, so hands, you're doing whatever you want for the first part, but when you do this hook, you have to do like a dab. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. It's simple. It's like
It's
once you
get it, you got it.
once you get it, doing the dance feels slow. It feels slow to me to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Where do we go to get through?
So
on
again,
this side for me.
right. So again, you're going 1, 2, 3, and you're going up, 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 and you're going heels, heels, heels. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to take your hands, and you're going to kind of wrap them around each other, and let them go. So what you're going to do that over here, so you're going to chuka, da. And then that's it. That's it.
That'd be it.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Chuka, da.